You watch the charts, you see your portfolio drop. You panic, you sell. Then the coin goes up, and you kick yourself. Again and again. Most crypto investors lose money, not because the market is bad, but because they fall into the same psychological traps over and over. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this happens and how to stop it. Emotions destroy your trades. Fear, greed, FOMO, these aren't just feelings, they're profit killers. Imagine this: the price of your favorite coin starts dropping. Your stomach tightens, your mind screams, sell. Don't lose more, so you sell. The next day, the coin goes up 20%, or the reverse, the price pumps, you see your friends bragging. You feel left out, you buy in. And then the price crashes. Sound familiar? That's your emotions controlling your trades, instead of your strategy. Most investors never realize this, and it costs them thousands. Tip: track your emotional triggers. Before every trade, ask, am I trading because of strategy or fear? Would I make the same decision if nobody was watching? Chasing hype equals buying at the top. The market talks. Everyone is hyping the next Bitcoin. You buy in, you hope to catch the pump. But here's the truth: by the time hype reaches you, the price is already at its peak. And then the coin drops hard. This is why buying based on trends is a loser's game. Smart investors wait for opportunities, not hype. They look for value, not popularity. Tip: before entering any trade, ask, why am I buying this coin? Is the price justified by fundamentals or hype? What's my exit plan if it goes wrong? Selling too early or too late. Timing the market is a trap. Sell too early gives missed gains. Sell too late gives panic and losses. Most traders swing between extremes, letting their emotions decide. Successful investors follow rules, not feelings. They set their targets, stick to stop losses, and let the market come to them. Tip: decide your entry, exit, and stop loss before trading. Don't change rules mid-trade just because the market moves fast. Overtrading kills profits. Too many trades, too many coins, you spread yourself thin. You can't follow every coin, every hype. Focus, patience, discipline. Pick a few investments, learn them, master them. Overtrading is a mental and financial drain. Tip: choose 3 to 5 coins maximum. Track their performance, learn patterns. Become a specialist, not a generalist. How to stop losing money. First, plan every trade. Know your entry, exit, stop loss. Second, control your emotions. Fear and greed are your worst enemies. Third, avoid hype. Popularity is not profit. Fourth, enter small. Manage risk. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Fifth, learn to wait. The market will always give opportunities. Patience beats panic. Crypto isn't a lottery. It's a game of psychology and strategy. Master your mind, and the money will follow. You keep losing money not because the market is against you, but because your mind is. Change how you react. Follow strategy, not emotions. Focus on rules, not hype. And you'll stop losing forever.